Welcome to Elsie's Playhouse. My name is Teacher Elsie and I'm so happy to see you here today. Are you ready to sing, dance, and learn together? Yay! So put on your biggest smile, clap your hand, and get ready for an amazing learning today. See you there. Bye bye. Hi kids, with me Teacher Elsie. Today we're going to explore the nature. Did you know what is nature? Nature is everything around us that made from the earth. Nature is not made by people. Can you see trees here? Yes, this is tree. Tree is a nature. Can you hear birds singing? Good, that means you can see and hear nature every day. Nature helps us every day. For example, tree. Tree give us clean air, and flower make the world beautiful. Do you think car is a nature? No, car is not a nature because it is made by people. How about fan? Do you guys think fan is a nature? No, fan is not a nature because it's made by people. So, let's love and take care of the nature. Bye-bye. So kids, do you learn something today? Yes, we learned about nature. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.